In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a two-floor house in Planner 5D. So to do this, you first must open your project. I just have a simple house over here. As you can see, it's like a square with a door and a window. And then here, you want to go to 2D. And what you want to do to make it a two-floor house is simply, whenever you've built the first floor, or of course, any time in between, you can go to top left where it says first floor, and then just click on a new floor, and you can give it a name as well. So for example, second floor like this. Okay, I'm going to click on the check mark and notice how, of course, currently you can't see the change. However, if I click between these, you can see it's actually changing. This is the first floor and this is now the second floor. So if I go to 3D view, you'll notice that this is now actually a two-floor house. So I have the first floor and then the second floor up here as well. And of course, if you want to make more, you could just keep on adding them and building your house like this, okay? So that's how to make a two-floor house. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.